The Korean drama world is witnessing one of its most competitive Friday through Saturday battles in recent memory, and audiences across the globe are watching closely as two major dramas continue to dominate headlines. On one side stands Perfect Crown, the royal romance phenomenon starring IU and Byeon Woo-seok. On the other is the newly launched fantasy romance My Royal Nemesis, led by Lim Ji-yeon and Hyo Nam-joon. And now, both dramas are making headlines for very different reasons. After weeks of growing momentum, Perfect Crown has officially wrapped up another week at its highest ratings yet, proving that the drama's popularity is not slowing down, it's accelerating. According to Nielsen Korea, the series has continued climbing steadily since its premiere, becoming one of the strongest performing Korean dramas of 2026. Set inside a fictional modern constitutional monarchy, Perfect Crown follows the emotional and political journey of a wealthy chaebol heiress and a royal prince trapped between duty, power, and forbidden love. The drama combines palace politics, romance, social class conflict, and visually stunning cinematography into a formula that audiences clearly cannot get enough of. Much of the drama's explosive success is being credited to the chemistry between IU and Byeon Woo-seok. Fans have praised the emotional depth of their performances, especially the balance between vulnerability and royal restraint. Social media clips from the series continue spreading rapidly online, while international viewers have helped turn the drama into one of Disney Plus's biggest Korean releases globally. But while Perfect Crown celebrates its strongest numbers yet, another drama has suddenly entered the spotlight in dramatic fashion. My Royal Nemesis officially premiered with surprisingly powerful ratings, immediately drawing attention from Korean drama fans curious about whether the newcomer could become a serious rival in the Friday through Saturday time slot. The fantasy romantic comedy tells the story of a notorious Joseon-era villainess whose soul awakens centuries later inside the body of a struggling modern actress. What follows is a chaotic collision between historical ambition and modern celebrity culture, creating a unique mix of romance, comedy, fantasy, and revenge. Audiences were especially intrigued by Lim Ji-yeon's transformation into the cunning and unpredictable Kang Dan-shim, a character already generating strong reactions online. Many viewers praise the actress for blending elegance, humor, and menace in a way that makes the character impossible to ignore. At the same time, Hyo Nam-joon's performance as the cold and ruthless chaebol heir has also drawn attention, with fans already discussing the drama's intense love-hate chemistry and visually rich storytelling. The series premiered strongly enough to immediately enter discussions as one of the most promising fantasy romance dramas of the year. What makes this moment particularly fascinating is the contrast between the two dramas. Perfect Crown represents polished royal melodrama, emotionally layered, cinematic, elegant, and deeply romantic. Meanwhile, My Royal Nemesis embraces unpredictability, fantasy chaos, sharp humor, and supernatural tension. Despite their completely different tones, both dramas are now competing for the same audience attention every weekend. Industry observers are already calling this one of the most interesting drama rivalries of 2026. Some believe Perfect Crown still holds the advantage because of its massive international fanbase and established momentum. Others think My Royal Nemesis could continue climbing rapidly if word of mouth keeps growing after its strong premiere. And honestly, the competition could not arrive at a better time for Korean television. Over the last few years, global interest in K-dramas has expanded dramatically, but audiences have also become far more selective. Viewers no longer stay loyal to drama simply because of star power. Storytelling, pacing, chemistry, cinematography, and emotional impact now matter more than ever. That's why both Perfect Crown and My Royal Nemesis succeeding simultaneously says something important about the current state of Korean entertainment. One drama offers emotional royal romance wrapped in luxury and political tension. The other delivers supernatural chaos, mixed with modern satire and explosive personality clashes. Together, they showcase just how diverse Korean storytelling has become in 2026. And now the big question remains: can My Royal Nemesis continue climbing and truly challenge Perfect Crown in the ratings race? Or will Perfect Crown maintain its dominance all the way to the finish line? One thing is already certain: Korean drama fans are winning either way. Because right now, Friday nights belong entirely to K-drama.